Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a healthy snack. Yummy, yummy! What do we need? Orange, carrot, and some grapes. We're gonna open them, okay? We are going to need mommy's or daddy's help to cut with the knife, okay? First of all, we're going to cut the orange. We'll cut it in half. We are going to need it for the wings of our butterfly. Now, we're gonna leave these two for the wings, and we are going to cut them again in half. Then we'll get the grapes. We'll leave the carrot here. How many grapes do we need? We'll see. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think with 4 we'll be fine. We'll try. Then we'll put the wings like this. And then we need the carrot. Just a little piece, okay? With these 2 pieces is enough. And now here we have our carrot, our grapes, and our orange to create a butterfly. And after that, we have our healthy snack, and we eat it. Bye bye.